how to merge two videos in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let me tell you that merging two videos is not possible from the iPhone itself. What you need to do is you need to go to a new video editor app. I suggest using CapCut. Just tap on it and then you need to head over to the edit icon in the bottom left and then go to new video. Choose any two videos from your gallery and then hit add. And now you can edit it, trim it by moving the borders. You can even split it in the middle, tap on split icon like this, delete the part that you don't want. And like this, you can merge two videos. You can even add transitions in between by tapping on the line like icon in the middle of the two videos. And after you're done, you can tap on export in the top right. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.